is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I should say good morning though, because it is morning. It is 8:51 right now. Not crazy early, but it's early, and I am on my way to Escondido. If you guys know and have been a part of the channel for a minute, you guys know the only thing in Escondido is my boy Headlight Optics. They're the ones who did the starlights and the ambient lighting inside the car. The reason why we're going over there again is because he had hit me up asking me if I had the LED RGB lights on my headlights, and if you guys know, obviously I don't have that. So he told me let me sponsor that. So my boy Headlight Optics is sponsoring the build today with the new RGB LED headlights, where you can change the colors. It could be yellow, red, blue, white. It could be all types of colors. And that's what we're gonna go do today. And while we're there, he's gonna fix my light for my door because it would stop working. The flicker's on and off, and he hated it. So we're gonna fix that, and then we're just gonna be there hanging out, chilling, vibing like we always do, getting some content for you guys. And hopefully it looks sick, bro. I know I've seen it on other Supras. I want to see how the yellow would look on here. I think it looked dope, but I also want to try different colors and see. As you guys can hear, my car is so loud. Every little step you guys can hear it, but that's what we're doing right now. I have an hour and 56-minute drive right now. I'm gonna be like 40 minutes late too. I appreciate y'all for showing love on the last video as well. And if you all are having a beautiful, amazing day, morning, night, whatever time you guys are watching this video, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for your boy, and be part of the family. Oh, bro, 2 hours later, we're almost here, bro, and it is already hot. Damn, I've been driving with no AC, but it was fresh, but now it's getting hot, so I gotta turn it on. I need to pee really bad. I need to pee so bad, so we got 6 minutes to get there. He already had hit me up. I'm already like 30 minutes late, bro, so I already feel bad. I need to pee. I need to take a pee. Thankfully, there was like no traffic, but I took the longer way. The longer way just had no traffic. If I took the 405, 101 to the 5, that would have been way too much traffic. I would have got here way later. So I was like, you know what? Let's just do this route. Bro, getting to his house is so dope because you get like a little canyon run. I always love coming to his house because of this. Finally arrived with the boy Tony. We got the boy Tony here. He already going straight to it. You guys already know how he is, going straight to the work. But we got his G30, what, 5 right here? 35, right? Yeah, G35. Last time you guys seen it, it was under the covers. But hey, bro, he's getting it up and running back again. And it's slowly coming together, bro. It's looking good. And the carbon looks good too. The way they fix it all up. Interior looking good still though. That's good. Shade. Nah. For a wrap, it's solid. I didn't even know it was a wrap. Cleaned out, bro. I like Picasso. I like. We're here. You guys know he's fixing the door over there because it was flashing last time. And then he's gonna do the DRLs, headlights, which gonna look hella sick. Damn, bro, having this shade thing here, it makes it fresher, bro. Makes it 10 times fresher. Last time, yeah, he was dripping, bro, sweating. That's why also like I'm glad we're doing the door first because the freaking headlight. Your wheels are probably hot as hell right now to take off. Oh, probably. I gotta do the headlights. Yeah. So that's why I'm just like, oh, just let them cool down. Facts. This is my old cup holder. This thing was broken from like a while ago, but shout out to homie Anthony right here. Got me right. What a brand new one. Brand new. Sheesh. Now we get rid of this one because it was all broken on this side. So I break it right now. Imagine, bro, that'd be hilarious. I'd be so mad. We got the door light fixed too. Now it's working properly. As you guys know, it was flashing before and shit, yeah. My boy Anthony is working on the stuff, getting everything taken out. He's about to take out the headlights and start. What are you doing actually? Replacing the daytime running lights. But you're not replacing the module or anything? No. So the module, yes, but not the headlight. Yeah. I'm actually taking the electronics out from inside. Okay. So it should be fine. These are stock super lights. Yeah, these are stock, yeah. You heard the man. He's gonna run the wire harness from this side to that side, from that side to this side. So it connects to this. Then you'll be able to control it through your phone? Yeah, it's supposed to be RGB W, and you can still keep whatever, like the white, because some of them you can't keep white on. Oh, okay. But this one you can. Oh, it should change up the look on the car for sure. Being able to change the colors and all that. And then we'll come back next time
for some more, we're probably gonna do some underglow on the boot, bro. So here's the kit, here's the wires. This is what the wires we're gonna be using, and then obviously here are the boards that gotta be replaced out the headlight. So this is dope.
There we go. That little thing. That's it. Yeah. Oh, this is the orange light I was telling you about. See this little one?
The reflected?
Yeah, you'll see it on the other one right now.
So right now he's applying adhesive to the other board so it sticks on. That steady hand, boy.
Steady hands, surgeon.
Steady hands. My ass would have been like, duh, duh, duh. Bro, when I'm like low on energy at work, bro, I'm like shaking and shit. Surgery going on right now.
Oh, there we go. Yo, look at that.
Oh, it's on that board?
Yeah.
Oh, it's on the board.
Oh, yeah, because I haven't
I'm
put
over
it
here
in yet. I haven't put it in yet.
Oh, okay. Oh, shit, that's sick.
That's crazy.
So obviously he doesn't have it connected there. You guys just saw the colorful lights on the board right now. It's not connected to the headlight yet.
Okay.
And as long as we know it works.
I know, right? As long as
Yeah.
it fucking works.
It's on purple right now. Going through colors, I think. That's just sick.
I gotta find that stupid orange.
But we gotta get rid of this light right now.
Yeah,
Because this side don't have it. You guys know I already have that malfunction on this side that this doesn't turn on. That's why you don't see it on. So
the funny thing is, it's probably gonna turn on when we put the board on. It's a
yeah.
whole new board.
Oh, probably, huh?
It's a whole new
Probably.
board. I mean, if you want to keep it, that's fine, but it's up to you.
Nah, let's just take it off.
You sure?
Fuck, I don't even know. I want to know if it would clear that code. The
I mean,
side
you didn't
light
have a
mark.
code for it.
No, I did. Like
You
when
did?
when I would turn it on, it would show on the board. It says side light
I think
marker.
it'll probably fix it. Because
Holy
if you
shit.
look right here, like it's a whole new board.
Yeah. So, damn, I wonder if that would help. Fuck, do we keep the orange or nah? No
That's why
orange
I was
light.
like, damn, I didn't think it was gonna show that much, but.
No, yeah, it's pretty bright. Nah, we'll get rid of it just so
Hey,
you
yo,
see the
there's
light.
waters in the fridge.
Oh, appreciate you, bro. I got waters, but my shits are hot. Check it out, I could change it. Damn. Got the green, we got the blue, the darker blue, purple.
One time I got arrested for being a lesbian.
Hey, yo.
That's what they said. And I was like, how does that make any sense? And they just put me in jail.
Like Rick James said, cocaine's one hell of a drug. Aftermarket LEDs. These look way brighter than the OEM one. Here's the OEM. Here's a damn, bro. You could definitely tell on camera.
Really?
Yeah, bro. Like
bright as
yeah, hell yeah.
Good.
Holy shit. OEM LEDs right here. Oh, he's finally working on the second side right here. We got this one now. We got the second board getting put on. And for those wondering why my side light function was on, is because of this orange light, bro. That thing is burnt out. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, right there. Oh, that shit burnt out. Hard to show you guys, but I hope you guys saw that. Now we got both of them on, and now we can both change the colors to see. Ooh. Oh, I'm not connected. My fault. Boom. Damn, why does this one look so much brighter? What the fuck? Am I tripping?
No, I just think it's the reflection. Like
It's the
this is more
reflection?
shade
The
and
shade,
that's
right? Okay. Damn, bro, full on blue. Imagine that shit. Just blue and blue and blue and blue everywhere.
blue.
Purple, like a darker blue. Purple. Like a beige, I guess. The yellow. The yellow looks pretty sick.
You say fucking beige?
Bro, that shit look like beige here, bro. Look at that.
Random.
Look at the color.
Oh, that's weird. It's like a sand.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh,
Like,
what
what
the
the
fuck was beige headlights?
That's what I'm saying. Should look like a sand right here, bro. Look, that's white. That's like a beige sand. Weird. They're so brighter, bro. They're so much brighter. Even on the camera, bro, you could just tell.
Does it blow it out?
Yeah, like hella. The door light fixed too now. So all the lights is working. Star lights, headlights. Then next time we'll come back for the underglow. Ooh.
Bruh, that actually looks. Even green looks. If this car was green, that'd be perfect.
Jeez, bro. The red looks menacing. That's just
I
crazy.
know, the red. You can't be having that shit though. You guys can't be red or
Yeah.
blue. Like, at least on the street.
Yeah, true. Yellow's fine though.
That's like the perfect blue.
Yeah. Matches the car so damn well. Blue on blue on blue. Has hella modes too.
Oh damn!
The micro is that the microphone mode or no?
No, this is like the flashing.
Damn, the yellow does look kind of sick. Behind the scenes.
All right, guys. Here we have a brand new Supra DRL headlight kit that we offer with an RGBW. Oh, fucking bitches. We are now offering a brand new RGBW daytime running light.
Take three.
We are now offering a Toyota Supra daytime running light RGBW installation, as well as the module itself. It is something that we are now offering right here. It does come with an app. Check it out. Let's see, we're gonna go through the colors. Bam.
Sick.
Is we can delete the little orange turn signal or marker because sometimes it gets a little bit bright and it blows. Check this out. We got mode. You should not be using this on the road because you will probably get pulled over for sure. There we go. Definitely use this when you're behind a cop. They're gonna love you. I promise. They'll probably pull you over just to tell you how good they look. It looks good, bro. That looks tight.
That shit does look sick.
It's actually perfect that it's running blue.
For real. Y'all know where to come if y'all want it. If y'all local in the area, hit my boy up. Headlight Optics, he got you. Hit him up through the DMs. He got you. We'll get you an appointment ASAP. RGB headlights, underglow, starlights, ambient lighting. He does it all. Hit my boy up.
Crack.
I don't know why this pink looks hard though.
Pink looks
like
good,
it looks
bro.
so
It
good.
looks
Like,
right now with underglow.
yeah, this would look hard.
Perfect.
This would look hard. This looks so sick. The pink. What the hell? Oh shit. So sick, bro.
Yeah, nice. Definitely fucking.
Alright, so we just finished up with the boy. Look at the drive I have home. It is insane, bro. 2 hours and 55 minutes to get home. What? I'll show you guys the headlights at night as well, so you guys can see how sick they look at night. I bet this is gonna come out crazy. Huge shout out to him for real. Headlight Optics. If you guys need starlights, ambient lighting, headlight DRLs, bro, hit him up. He got you. The link to his Instagram will be in the description down below, so you guys can DM him, check him out. If you guys want to get an appointment set up, he got you. Really happy with the way it came out. I just can't wait to see it at night. It's gonna look crazy, especially with all these other colors now that I can do. It's gonna be sick. And the Instagram pics, bro, they're gonna be crazy as well. Oh, you guys know how this works. You gotta get E50 mix. Oh, bro, the headlights look sick. I don't know where I'm at, but it's still far from my house. Alright, so we got the half of the gas. Now we need the E50. I mean the E85. So now I gotta pay again and do it, which is I hate it. We got the E85 going in. I wish I was just full 85. It would probably been easier, but I gotta do point injection, do all that, fuel system, flex fuel kit. But I'll eventually get to that. Alright, real good. Let's get the hell up on out of here. I think I still got like a 2 hour. I don't even know. Let's see right now. Next stop. Oh my god, 2 hours and 45 minutes to get home. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, we just finally home. Well, I've been home for a couple of hours now, but look at the lights. They look so sick. They are way brighter than the OEM lights. Like, you could just tell. But look, earlier I showed you guys the modes, but we could change it. We got the red. We got the yellow. Bro, yellow looks pretty sick. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Green. The blue. Blue looks crazy, bro. Blue on blue. This should just look hard. Darker blue. Then we got purple. Then we got that sand color. I don't know what color you want to call it. This looks more like the OEM light. And then this is bright white. More OEM, bright. Look at this. Flashing. Look how crazy that looks, bro. It's obviously going through the colors. That is insane. Then we got the different mode, jump change, gradual change, and the gradual change, I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's kind of changes slowly, which is pretty dope, but we just want the single light. A lot of these colors look so sick. The red looks so menacing. Like, just look at that. It looks evil. Oh, dude, it looks so sick. But once again, yo, like, Huge shout out to Opalite Optics, bro, for the sponsor on the lights. Like I said, guys, if you guys need anything like star lights, ambient lighting inside, and for the headlights, hit him up, bro. Everything's gonna be in the description down below. Message him and all that. Check out his work. Well, bro, the work speaks for itself. We will go back probably soon. We don't know when he will hit me up for underglow. The underglow will probably look insane on the Supra. It will really bring out that Fast and the Furious vibe. But even the ambient lighting and headlights, bro, starlights. He fixed the light. As you guys remember, it used to flash a lot, but now it's all fixed. And the headlight, look at that, bro. Stars, got the shooting stars as well. Let's just wait for that right now. Let's see if it pops up. Let's see, there it is. The shooting stars look absolutely sick. He could do a lot of different cars. It just doesn't have to be Supra, bro. So hella dope that he hit me up to do this. A huge shout out to him, because it just brings out another like dope feature on the car for car shows. If I wanted to have it on, it could be on. I could change it. If I'm just driving, I want to have yellow and it just looks menacing and sick like that. I don't know, maybe later we're gonna go out at night and get some pictures. Got the sun going up. I'm at work right now, but just to show you guys real quick again, the color changes a little bit, like kind of dark right now. Look at that. Look at that. Insane. Crazy. So sick. I want to show you the startup animation, because when I open the door, look what it does. That is crazy, and then it just goes into like the normal OEM white lights. Like, that is sick. So we are under parking structure. You guys know this spot, and I decided to come here, and the lighting ain't the best here at night, if I'm being honest. I wanted to show you guys how it looks at night, and it looks pretty dope. I'm gonna close out the video here, guys. Just wanted to show you guys how it looks at night under a little bit of light. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and be part of the family if you guys are new. But this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.